420 horsepower, nearly 600 pound-foot of torque, and it can power your house. This is the 2026 Ford F-150 King Ranch with the 3.5 liter PowerBoost hybrid engine. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Joe Machens, Capital City Ford here in Jefferson City, Missouri for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Mike for all your vehicle needs. Powering this 2026 Ford F-150 King Ranch is the 3.5 liter PowerBoost hybrid engine, producing 420 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Starting up front here, you'll notice a lot of chrome accents on this truck because this is the King Ranch. Blue Ford logo up top, and we kind of have this copper grille along with our chrome accents. Coming to the side, just kind of a standard Ford LED headlight with DRLs. DRLs continue to your LED fog lights, parking sensors across the front, chrome accents throughout. As I mentioned, we still get a recovery hook, and we have this air dam below as well, which should help with fuel economy. Coming to the hood up here, we do have this these kind of accents on the hood, not functional. Just gives it a little bit of a unique look. Coming to the wheel and tire setup. These are Pirelli Scorpion tires. So street tire, nothing special here. 20-inch chrome wheels with the King Ranch logo in the middle. Standard suspension up front. Here's our King Ranch badge with the logo. We have color matched mirrors, LED turn signals and blind spot monitoring, color matched door handles. If you all know anything about the King Ranch, you'll notice they're all two-tone as well. We have the blue up top, navy, not sure what the color's called, and then I'm pretty sure this is almost like marsh gray at the bottom. You all can see that. There's your PowerBoost logo also, but there's your two-tone. Gives this a unique look compared to other F-150s. Power running boards on this truck as well. Coming down to the back, leaf sprung in the back. Nothing special with the suspension. Single exhaust outlet there. We have the FX4 off-road package on this truck. Large taillights. And then coming to the back, we'll have the parking sensors. Towing right here. This does tow around 11,000 pounds with this PowerBoost engine. You'll notice the two-tone here. We do have, I'm just going to call it marsh gray bumper on the bottom. The navy up top. Standard Ford logo, F-150 stamped in the tailgate. There's another King Ranch badge. And then this truck has the multifunctional tailgate. And obviously here's your key fob here. Just standard, just says Ford on the back. But it is powered tailgate. There we go. Have some clamps right here as well. So that tailgate does swing open, which helps you reach things in your bed. And then this is bed line. Star of the show here is the power we get in the back. I think that's, I can't see that. 120 volt outlet. 2 outlets there. And then storage here. Tie downs in each corner. LED cargo lights. You can run a lot of things with that power on board. It is more than your standard F-150s. Just a pop-up tailgate. I mean, campers, generators. You can run a lot from this truck. Let me know what you all think also of this exterior styling. Chrome wheels. Two-tone exterior. Let's take a look at the sticker on this truck. All right. It is raining today. So for this King Ranch, really your main options here is the FX off-road package for $1,300. The PowerBoost engine is an additional $1,340. So MSRP after destination on this truck, $80,000. So it's an $80,000 truck. Right now at Joe Machens, if you qualify for the rebates and the discounts, you can get this truck for around $71,000. Let me know what you all think of that price. $71,000 for this F-150 King Ranch. Let's check out the interior. Obviously, this is where the King Ranch shines. It's so unique. I love the colors in this. Dark brown, light tannish color, soft touch material throughout. King Ranch logos everywhere. It's a ton of storage. Upgraded B&O sound system. We get memory seats. Another King Ranch badge here. And then let's look at the payload, 1,267 pounds. Nothing crazy. Here's our lighting controls and our tailgate drop. Power adjustable pedals. We have a power adjustable steering wheel. Power adjustable seats, two-toned here, dark brown and tan. Super comfortable seats. Here's your King Ranch logo there. So overall, just a super, super nice interior. Let's hop in. Start this truck up. You can barely hear it with that hybrid. Looking at the steering wheel, more King Ranch accents. Nice leather-wrapped brown material. Adaptive cruise volume controls over here. On this side, we do have our gauge cluster controls, which is fully digital. Couple different options. This is just kind of standard for all F-150s. We do have a heads-up display. I'm sure you all can't see that. So overall, pretty standard layout here on the steering wheel and the gauge cluster. Coming to this side, we do have a Pro trailer control, trailer brake control, and then our transfer case here, 2 high, 4 high, 4 auto, 4 low, rear locker, and the drive modes are just the ones we usually get: tow haul, normal, eco. I think this does have an off-road and a rock crawl mode. So a couple extra features in there. Coming to the infotainment screen. Large infotainment screen as you would expect. Pro Power on board selection there. It's also up top here as a physical button along with your hill descent control. So you can just press that. There is the King Ranch. Just a standard rear view mirror. Coming down, this layout is the same as typical F-150s. Heated steering, heated seats, ventilated seats, camera, get a 360, and then there's all your other cameras, front facing, rear, side. So that's nice to have. As I mentioned, climate controls. Here's another King Ranch logo. So if you pull this back, you get wireless charging. There's your USBs down there. Kind of have this gold looking accent here. More storage down here by your leg. And then we have 2 cup holders. Nice little slot here for storing a wallet or phone. Then we have the brown shifting knob. That's really cool. This also does have the, push that down, does have the mobile office package. Very underrated tool. I wish I had this in my truck. Then we have some power here, 12 volt, 120 volt. Nice little storage compartment up there. Nice accents throughout this entire truck. So just look at the interior here. Super luxurious, Western themed interior. Looking at the center console, two-tone, huge logo here for the King Ranch. If we put it up, lots of space in here. And there's a couple USB ports down there. Still have 2 cup holders for your rear passengers as well. Up top here, we have home controls. This does have the moonroof. I think that was an extra option, around $1,400. Sunglass holder there. It's just a standard rear view mirror, as I mentioned. No digital mirror in here, which is interesting. Let's take a look at the rear. All right, coming to the back, same soft touch material, same color scheme. Cup holder here, storage, speaker. Here is a pocket in the back. Your rear seats, you have the same layout with the King Ranch logo. You do get heated seats back here, vents, 2 USB chargers, and a 120 volt outlet. We have a powered rear view window, rear window, and then we do get cup holders here also. So here's a view of the front. Let's hop up in here. Tons of room back here, obviously. Here's a view of the front. Really, really awesome interior. My favorite part about this truck. We're gonna drive this truck today. Excited to drive this PowerBoost. I've never driven the PowerBoost. I've driven every other F-150 engine, so I'm curious how it compares. More torque than a Raptor, almost as much horsepower. Let's see what it's all about. All right, we are off. 2026 Ford F-150 King Ranch. Very luxurious truck. Quick truck. Hear that hybrid kick on. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, fuel economy in this truck. I mean, I think it's like 23 combined. So daily driver, this powertrain is awesome. Man, the interior of this truck is just awesome. I love the brown interior. I love that Ford has this King Ranch trim, something kind of special, something different than other manufacturers. They're so easy to spot. They stand out. A lot of people like that. Just as I thought, the torque on this vehicle is crazy. 570 pounds. Horsepower, 420. Close to a Raptor. I'd like to race a Raptor in this King Ranch. See who wins. Obviously, I'm still picking a Raptor. About the same price point also. This is probably, I mean, a little cheaper, obviously. Just because it can be discounted, unlike Raptors. Heads-up display is nice. Acceleration really good. The ride on this truck, it's not too bad. There's nothing special going on with the suspension. Looks a little rough. But overall, it's smooth. So, if you can afford a truck like this and you're looking for a daily driver that is just super comfortable, has all the tech that you want, and is somewhat unique, especially on the interior, I would definitely check this King Ranch out. Fuel economy wise, I mean, you're probably not going to beat this with any other full-size truck. I mean, the hybrid engine helps with that, obviously. My only question would be repair costs on an engine like this and reliability. I'm not so sure of. Hybrids, there's a lot going on, very complex engine. But as far as performance and efficiency, it's tough to beat. See what the 0 to 60 in this thing is. Woo, it's quick. It's a lot quicker than any of the other F-150 engines I've driven. But let me know what you all think of this powertrain. Let me know what you all think of this 2026 Ford F-150 King Ranch. What do you think of the price? What do you think of this interior, exterior stylings of this truck? As always, appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.